today we're going to make some nice snow fairy. Have you ever wondered making a Disney princess into a fairy? Well, I'm going to do it right now using two Kinder Joy supplies, toys, and one bowl of white clay. Because we're going to make Cinderella, the Disney princess, into a snow fairy. So all you need is to get this little fairy from Kinder Joy and this Snow White also from Kinder Joy, and then you get some ball of white clay. So let's start. You take the wings off and then you put it on Snow White. I mean Cinderella. Sorry, I'm confused with their names. And then you're going to take the white clay and you can decorate the wings. And you can decorate Cinderella. So I'm going to do something like little dots over here until here only. And then I'm going to make a line here. So now we just take a little bit of Play-Doh, roll it into a little bowl, and then we just place it right over here. See? Or you can do another hairstyle. Let's just do the hairstyle first. Okay? So you just take some clay and then make it long enough for Cinderella's bun here. But if it's not long, still roll it, okay? It will take for a while because her bun is really big. So now you just put it right over here. Make sure it starts from the back to the front. Okay? The back right over here. And then over here, turn it around. But if there's still some space, then you can just take a little bit more clay and roll it just to the size you need, and you wrap it around here. And in case, I'm going to make some little balls right on this hairband for some decorations. I just want to do that right now. Right here. Soon Cinderella is going to be a snow fairy. And this little fairy, I don't know what should I do with it now, if it's a normal girl, but just with a picture of this. You can also take the sticker off if you want, and just put it on Cinderella. How about you try that? I'll use this over here on the middle, and Cinderella will be ice fairy, see? Let's try that. Okay, I think it works. Now let's continue with the little dots over here. What do I call dots? It takes for a while. I don't know why. Whoa. Let's do this. It's almost finished. So I can't wait to see Cinderella when she's an ice fairy. I never seen it like when she's an ice fairy before. She looks really nice with these wings. These wings are actually glittery and it's light blue color. It's really nice. And I really like what I'm doing. Soon I'm not going to destroy this art. I'm just going to keep it like this. So this is how am I going to keep it forever. Well, I don't know what should I do with that little girl. What do you think? Subscribe for this video, okay? I hope maybe you have any idea to do with this girl. Please tell me in the comments, okay? So I'm almost finished. Just a little bit more. Now I just need to add one tiny more. It's got stuck to my finger. There. she has her beautiful crown on. And now let's put these and decorate the wings. If you like, you can decorate the front of the wings also instead of only the back. If you see some spots, you can cover it if you want. So we're just going to do some dots on the edges, and then we're going to make something like a line in the middle. We would like to make a big circle up on here. And if you get any out of fairy, maybe if you have another one, please do. If you want to do this, do not take a different fairy. Like for example, if this fairy is green and this princess is blue, do not take it together. Just stay with the color that matches with the princess, okay? Like I did with Cinderella. Cinderella looks really beautiful. And now let's take some for the little line. Just roll that clay. Roll that clay, and then we're almost finished with this video. Please subscribe for this video, and in the comments tell me if what should we do with this little girl. Maybe decorate it, maybe? I don't know. Turn it into what? Please tell me in the comments. So let's do this. I'm not finished. I don't know with the balls and everything. It's falling off. And now here is the line. You pulled off the snow. Oh no, not another one. And another one. I hate this. It's not that nice. I don't know. If you have any extra Play-Doh when you're done, maybe you can use it for the powers of Elsa. I mean, Cinderella. Maybe. I don't know. If you want to. It's your choice. So now we're going to add. Okay, I think we're going to add some stuff on her dress. Something like, I don't know, a circle or maybe something like a splat. I'm thinking just decorating her dress, making some parts white. So I'm going to cut this clay into pieces and just roll and roll. And then I'll just put it on these lines here. And another one here. And now I'm done. She is all finished. There. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? And please, I'm telling you, please vote in the comments. What should we do with this little girl? Okay? So bye. See you next time.